Forget paying $200 a month for AI video. Forget the waiting lists. Today, everything changes. Microsoft just released its version of the powerful Sora model, and it is completely free. In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how you can get it and create videos just like the ones you just saw. You do not want to miss this. All right, let's dive straight into the main topic. The world of artificial intelligence video generation has been expanding rapidly. We've seen incredible tools like OpenAI's Sora, RunwayML, and Pika Labs push the boundaries of what is possible. However, they all had one thing in common: a high cost or significant limitations. For example, OpenAI costs $200 per month, RunwayML is $95, and Pika Labs is $35. Now, that entire landscape has been turned upside down. Microsoft has entered the game with a revolutionary move. They have made their version of Sora completely 100% free. With this single decision, they may have just changed AI video creation forever. Take a look at these examples. Every video you are seeing now was generated with Microsoft's free Sora. The quality is exceptional. The realism is breathtaking, and the best part is that it does not cost a single cent to create them. I am going to show you every step in detail, so stay with me. Let's begin, and I will show you exactly how to get started with Sora for free. First, you need to download the Bing application from the Apple App Store or the Google Play Store. A quick note: at the time of this recording, the feature is only available on mobile devices. Microsoft has confirmed that a web version is coming soon, but for now, you will need your phone. Once the application is installed, open it and sign in with your Microsoft account. If you do not have an account, it is free to create one. After you log in, you will see the main interface. Look to the bottom right of the screen and select this option. On the page that appears, select Video Creator. And just like that, you are in the Sora interface. The first thing I noticed was the simple design. There are no subscription pop-ups, no payment buttons, and no credit systems. This means you can start creating immediately. The user interface is clean and minimal. You have a text box for your prompt, a few basic settings, and that is all. No complex menus or confusing options. It is beautifully simple. Now, let's create our first video. We just need to give it a prompt. I have one prepared, so I will paste it into the box and press the Create button. Depending on the complexity, generation can take a few minutes. But believe me, the result is worth the wait. And here is the final video. This is truly incredible. Look at how fluid and natural the details are. The most impressive part is the physics of the hair. See how it moves naturally. This is something AI models often struggle with, but Sora handles it perfectly. This is the next level of technology, and I'm sincerely impressed by this progress. What are your thoughts? Let me know in the comments section. Okay, let's try a more challenging prompt. The result is stunning. The colors look completely real. The combination of orange and yellow from the sunset or the colors of dusk is extremely realistic. Let's try one final example with this prompt. Again, the output is unbelievable. Look how calm, fluid, and natural it is, just like a real fashion show. The lighting, the textures, and the model's sense of confidence are all excellent. Everything looks fantastic, and all the details are clearly visible. Now, creating video is not the only function. It also has an image generation feature. Let's quickly create a picture. I will type my prompt into the box. To be honest, the image generation seems to be powered by an older model. The quality is acceptable, but it looks similar to images from 2022. It is not bad, but it does not match the video quality. Personally, I would use this tool exclusively for video creation. So, let's quickly review the key points. First, it is currently only available on iOS and Android through the Bing app. A web version is coming soon. Second, it currently generates 5-second videos in a 9:16 aspect ratio. This is not a major issue. Most viral content on TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts is under 15 seconds. You can easily generate a few clips and edit them together to create viral-ready content. To summarize, Microsoft's Sora is here. It is free and it is available right now on iOS and Android. If you found this video helpful, please do me a favor and hit the like button, share it with a friend, and subscribe so you do not miss future tutorials. Thank you for watching. Lead the future with NextMind.